Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I am here with a little bonus video. I had promised you all that I would do a flip through of the Shirley Temple journal that I created over on Patreon. And so that's what this is. We're just going to do a flip through and show you what I did. Let me move in a little bit like that. Yeah, so bonus video on Monday. That's a good idea, right? Okay, so I used the book Child Star by Shirley Temple Black. I used the book, and then this is an altered book journal. For those of you who are new, it's a little different in that we keep the pages, we tear some out, we make pockets that way. Rather than taking papers and making a signature and sewing it in. So there's, I'll show you as we go along. We can chat it out. So I left blank some of the beginnings, and I love that picture. So whatever this was, I just covered it up with washi, and then I used a variety of digitals. So from a bunch of people, I think I talked about it on the videos on Patreon, but I won't remember for this. So just know they're on Etsy somewhere because I did use a bunch of different ones. These bows though that I have throughout, those are from Artsology. I can tell you that. So, I left the dedication because it was really kind of a cool dedication. And there's Shirley as a little baby. And then left that. You could journal there. You could journal here. And then we start the book. So this one is a top pocket. And in the top and side pockets, I used coffee dyed cardstock so that there would be a lot of writing room. So, so that is what's in the top. I won't take all of those out, but you'll see they're all tabbed either on the top. You can probably see on the top or on the side. Okay. Okay, now I got to line up again. Okay. All right. So then this little pocket, I used a picture out of a book. This is the movie The Little Colonel. And then a page for writing. This page has a bunch of pockets. These top pockets, I have pictures of Shirley Temple dolls, and again, they are journaling spots. So there's way more writing in this than you would think. So yeah, the 2 Dolly journal cards. And then I have just a couple journal cards that I made out. I had a bunch of movie magazines that had Shirley Temple in them. And so I've cut out those pictures and put them in here. This little one is an original. It's like almost like a little baseball card type of thing, but it's the old 50s looking photograph. It says Shirley Temple on the bottom. And so that's a real piece of ephemera, although they're all vintage pieces because these are out of magazines from that period. So, and some of the bows, these are my digitals from my shop. This journal card is from the movie magazine. And, okay, go back in there, Shirley. And then in here, I made another one. This is a picture of the paper dolls, the Shirley Temple paper dolls. Okay. All right, another writing page. Some pockets here with, she cracks me up when she pouts like that. I just put a collage journal card in here, and then this one with her little pouty face, so just so upset. another collage journal card, and then this one, I don't know, I want to say Mr. Bojangles, that movie. I'm not sure, but Anyway, another little writing space, and this one has a top pocket. We've got a little bow on it. I hope that's in camera, kind of. There we go. I just put a little bow on either side and made that the topper there. Here's Shirley having a tea party with her dolly. Some more writing space. This is one of the side pockets, and again, it's got the coffee dyed and this fun little picture of Shirley. And then decorative page, and then these are pages that were in the book. They're photographs of her along the way. I had a doll that had a dress just like that with the polka dots. Excuse me, I think I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, I'm so sorry. Gosh, I don't know why that has to happen every time I make a video. But yeah, all the different pictures. Nope, that's from the Little Colonel. So that, I think that other one was too. Okay, and then this page just decorated with another little picture from the magazine. Top pocket on that one again. This one has this little journal card. Again, the pictures from one of the magazines. And this one. And this was an edge on the magazine that was part of one of the articles about Shirley. So I thought it was really cute. So I added that. Okay, we've got this journal card. That's Heidi. I know that movie is Heidi. This one, I'm not sure which one that is. But how cute is that? Shirley in her little sailor suit. So there's that. We have a little Shirley down here in a writing space. A writing space there. And then this page, again, this is one of my digitals, and I made these little journal cards, 4 of them to go in each of the pockets. This was such a fun project, and it took me a long time. My patrons were very patient with all the videos on this, but now they know how to make an altered book, that's for sure. See, here's some of the articles from the magazines, and I just thought these fit well, so it worked out great. My milk bottle cap digital there. And there's another little journal card. Yeah, I think I had 16 videos, if I'm not mistaken, of the making of this book. Buddy Ebsen, I thought that was him, who played Grandpa on the Beverly Hillbillies. Yep, Captain January, 1936, that movie was. So, yeah, and all sorts of pictures of Shirley. And this one, that's just like the doll that I had. I don't know whatever happened to that doll. I'm sure it got put in a garage sale or something. That makes me sad. And then all these pictures were from a calendar page that years ago someone sent me. Here's Shirley and her mom. And a big journaling card with that. This side, we've got journaling cards over here. She doesn't look very happy to be on that merry-go-round. She's probably like, don't take my picture. You're always taking my picture. But there's a happy girl with a kitten. That's so cute. And then another one of the calendar pictures and a top pocket there and writing. And then on this page, there's 2 pockets. So the back pocket has this. There's Shirley at 8 months. And this one, she's been treed by a dog there. Oh, and then this one, again, that's from the magazine, but ooh, I love that one. I think it's so cute. And then this one, where she's in a little bride dress. And then here's a picture of her at age 2. Let's see. Okay, this one, we've got this, and we've got a tag up here. I do think I have enough things to make one more, or maybe 2. I've got 2 big books that I think I could use. This was super tight, but it does go in there. There we go. Oops. So, and then this one. And this one. Okay. And then there's a side pocket here. Writing space, and then the last grouping of pictures, these are when she was older. Her marriage picture, 1950. And Charlie Jr. was born in 1952, and her daughter, 1954. Oh, complete, family completed, Lori, Susan, and Charlie Jr. So I wonder if there's a picture of Susan earlier. There she is. Yeah. 1948 she was born. Wow. So then this one has a top pocket, and there's a little picture of Shirley. This one, it's these little side pockets with journal cards. This one has got the side pocket. This one, Shirley Temple in curly top, and then this is Shirley in the little kernel. And then this is like a cabinet card type of photo of Shirley. Once again, it's an original, and then I made this tag from a picture in a magazine. So, and then the top pocket. Then this is another one with the 4 tags. So this is Baby Take a Bow, that movie. And this one has her signature there. Dear editor, thank you for the nice story you used about me in your screen book. I cannot read, but Mother read it to me. She spells words out for me. I am not very good on the typewriter, but soon I will be. Oh, soon I will learn. There it is. With love, Shirley Temple. I liked it because it had her signature on there. Okay. And then this one. Shirley and her double, her stand-in. I thought that was kind of fun. And this one. Okay. Then this page has a great big one. Okay, and a top pocket. And then this one has a tag and a journal card. That's the little kernel too. This one, she looks so much like my granddaughter Sarah when she was that age. It's unbelievable. Sarah didn't have ringlets though. So, and a page to write, and then I left the empty pages at the back so you could write. Signed it, and there it is. So that will be coming soon to my Etsy shop, and I just wanted to share it with you before it went to its new home. So I hope I hope you enjoyed this and enjoyed an extra bonus video. And we will just see you in the next regular video. So have a grateful day, everyone. Bye.